Hey my lovely kids, today we are going to draw a very cute bunny. So we need light pink color, red color and a marker or pencil to draw. So to start, first we will draw one oval shape small and one more oval shape. Now we will draw heart in between like this. I hope you are making with me. Now we will draw semicircle like this. Two cute ears of our bunny. Now for making a mouth, first draw a straight line, then a deep U. Okay. Now just a little tiny nose and a cute eyes. Now the mouth of our bunny. Have you drawn this? Now we will take the light pink color and let's make some blush. A cute bunny. Now we will color the heart. Our cute heart bunny is done. Oh, so we have the mouth. So let's color this also. I hope you liked this and made it with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.